Hi everyone, let's discuss a scholarship opportunity for prospective students interested in studying in Europe. Hooray! This scholarship is in France. Before I continue, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for similar videos on Meet Charles Show. Scholarships for international students are available in France across various disciplines, including culture and heritage, education, pedagogy, French language, foreign languages, civilization, European studies, political science, law, environmental sciences and computer sciences. Don't miss out on this opportunity. The scholarships in France are awarded based on academic excellence and are designed explicitly for European students, aligning with the strategic priorities of the Ministry for Europe and Foreign Affairs. One of the most prestigious options is the France Excellence Scholarship, which recognizes academic merit and aligns with the strategic goals of the Ministry for Europe and Foreign Affairs. This article will outline the eligibility criteria, application process, benefits and fields of study associated with this scholarship. Please read through it carefully to make an informed decision regarding your scholarship opportunities in Europe. France Excellence Europa Scholarships 2025 Host Country, France, Program Level Master's Degree, Program Duration. The program tenure is from a minimum of 12 months to a maximum of 24 months. Fields of study for France Excellence. Europa Scholarship Program. Culture and Heritage Education. Pedagogy. French Language and Civilization. Foreign Languages and Civilizations. European Studies Law and Political Sciences. Health Environmental Sciences, Computer Science and Digital. Benefits of the France Excellence Scholarships 2025. Students will receive a half-yearly allowance of €6,850 to support their living expenses. An installation allowance of €1,700 will be provided upon arrival. Registration fees will be waived. Priority will be given to students when applying for accommodation in Krauss University residences. Students will be enrolled in a health insurance plan for the first 3 months of their stay. Enrollment in supplementary health insurance will also be provided. Students will receive an exemption from the CVC, or Contribution de Vie Étudiante et de Campus. Participants will benefit from exclusive discounts on cultural activities throughout their stay. Eligibility criteria of the France Excellence Europa Scholarships 2025. To be eligible for the program, applicants must meet the following conditions. Being a national of one of the following 26 European Union member states: Germany, Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Cyprus, Croatia, Denmark, Spain, Estonia, Finland, Greece, Hungary, Ireland, Italy, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, Netherlands, Poland, Portugal, Czech Republic, Romania, Slovakia, Slovenia, Sweden. French nationals, including dual nationals with French citizenship, are not eligible. Be at least 18 years old at the start of the mobility period in France. There is no maximum age limit, provided the applicant does not already hold a master's degree, regardless of the country where it was obtained, must be admitted to a French higher education institution in the first or second year of a master's program for the 2025-2026 academic year, should not currently hold a French higher education degree, and must not be enrolled in any French institution at the time of application, must not be receiving any other French government scholarship, such as Erasmus+, AUF, or other grants from the French Ministry of Foreign Affairs. How to apply for the France Excellence Europa Scholarships. 2025 students must apply through the official website of Campus France. You will need to fill in the required information carefully. Upload the required documents. Be sure to fill out all the information with due care and submit it. Send the applications to the French Embassy in your country of nationality. Documents required for the France Excellence Europa Scholarships 2025. France Scholarship Form duly completed and signed. CV, French or English. Cover letter, French or English. Copies of transcripts of the last 2 years of higher education, copy of ID card, admission letter to M1 or M2, copies of diplomas or certificates of French proficiency, DELF, DALF, TCF, TEF, if required. Copies of diplomas or certificates of English proficiency, TOEFL, TOEIC, IELTS, if required. Letter of recommendation, French or English. France Excellence Deadline. The application deadline for France Excellence Europa Scholarships 2025 is April 30th, 2025. Explore this opportunity and take the first step toward your future by applying today. Don't forget to click the subscribe button like this video, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our exciting content. Your support means the world to us.